Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss about some questions and answers. The topic name is Database and DBMS, an introduction. The next slide is about exercise questions and answers. Question number A. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Find the odd one out. The options are MySQL, B. DB2, C is Microsoft Access, D is IMS. The correct answer is option D, IMS. Question number 2. Which of the following is used to display the record number on which you are currently working? The options are navigation buttons, B is navigation pan, C is object tab, and D is view button. The correct answer is option A, navigation button. Question number 3. Find the odd one out. The options are A, add record, B is delete record, C, sort record, D is change primary key. The correct answer is D, change primary key. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 4 contains a special symbol. Students, you need to identify the symbol. The options are A, design view, B is datasheet view, C, sorting, number D is key. The correct option is B, datasheet view. Question number 5 contains a special symbol. Students, you need to identify the symbol from the given options. The options are A, design view, B, datasheet view, C, sorting, D, queue. The correct option is A, design view. Question number 6. Find the odd one out. The options are A, field size, B, default value, C, required, D, auto number. The correct option is D, auto number. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number B. State whether the following statements are true or false. Question number 1. A DBMS based on relational data model is a relational database. The statement is false. The correct statement is a DBMS based on relational data model is a relational database management system. Question number 2. Data redundancy is not related to data inconsistency. The statement is false. The correct statement is data redundancy is related to data inconsistency. Question number 3. A primary key can have duplicate data value. The statement is false. The correct statement is a primary key have no duplicate data values. Question number 4. Relational database stores data in the form of a table. The statement is true. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 5. Design view is used to define the fields of a table. The statement is true. Question number 6. A number data type is used for numbers not requiring calculations. The statement is false. The correct statement is that a number data type is used for number as well as requiring calculations. Question number 7. A check mark in the show means field will not be displayed in the query result. The statement is false. The correct statement is a check mark in the show means field will be displayed in the query result. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number C. Fill in the blanks using words given below. Question number 1. Database is a collection of logically related and similar data. Number 2. Dash is a software system managing database. The correct answer is DBMS. Question number 3. Data redundancy means storing the same data in multiple locations. Question number 4. Data inconsistency means having different data values for common fields in different files. Question number 5. Primary key uniquely identifies a record in a table. Question number 6. Query is used to receive information from a table according to a criterion. Students, in this session I have discussed about some questions and answers. Hope all of you have understand this part of questions and answer very well. Thank you.